We're here with our Grumman 17 double-ender canoe Scout. You know, why stop with just a paddle when you could add all of this extra stuff to it? We're just goofing around. We started off wanting to add a little gaff sail so we go on it downwind. And then folks are like, add a leeboard, add this, that. So we did. We put a little mizzen on it with a little bumpkin poking out the back here. It's going to sheet to be loose-footed. We'll sheet through there, go up to a little jam cleat with fair lead on the thwart. So we made the thwarts, used closet rods, 1.5-inch diameter closet rods for mast and booms and gaffs. Got line running everywhere. Put a little block in the bottom for the sheet for the gaff. It sheets mid boom. Talk more about in a minute. Made this thwart today. This is Skipper's design on the starboard side. Got repurposed the sunfish rudder, so it'll go up and down, and she can control it from the back there to act as a leeboard, pivoting centerboard. My design was kind of a basic dagger board type of function, so we'll try them out later. We know which one's going to work better already, but we'll play around with it anyway. Here's the gaff. We added some longer halyards today. Here's for the gaff to peak up the gaff, and here's the halyard to raise the throat of the sail. Put on some blocks, run all the lines aft so we can tie it off back there, raise it from the back there if we want to, tie it off back there, and then be able to let it all down without having to move around too much in the canoe. People have been asking questions about ferrule beads and other forms. These are just little lines with little beads on them that help these run up and down the mast. We've got some on this gaff yoke, and then we have some on the luff of the sail also, and then some on the yoke down on the boom. There's a look at our bow thwart. Was able to sail a little bit today using this kayak paddle, a double paddle. Worked out pretty good with that long stick on there. You can get a little bit of leverage you need to steer around. And we'll come back here and take a look at the stern thwart. Got it out of trimmed a little bit so it's not jabbing us in the back. And that's what we're playing around with. Hope y'all are having a safe, laid back 4th of July.